There are many variations on this black-eyed pea salad that offers great taste, super easy preparation, and make-ahead convenience. Simply combine all of your ingredients and allow them to marinate. Jalapeno peppers, chopped red bell pepper, or other peppers make a great add-in. Add your cumin and garlic powder, olive oil, salt to taste, and fresh lime juice. Stir well, then taste and adjust your seasonings. Another great add-in is salsa or picante sauce. Then cover and refrigerate, preferably overnight. Make this ahead for easy workday lunches or to take to parties, potlucks, and picnics. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more great gluten-free recipes.